Hello, I'm Aaron Rogers. I'm a Prompts For You stylist. This is my beautiful model, Lauren. Today, we're going to be talking about naturally curly hair. Now, with naturally curly hair, it's more fragile, so you gotta be more careful with the hair and make sure that you're not vigorously towel drying it. You wanna lightly blot it so that you're not adding undue friction to the hair. Friction causes frizz. Now, curly hair, you wanna make sure you're using twice as much product. I like to use twice as much product because it helps absorb into the hair and give you more control over that curl. Today, I'm going to be using foam. I'm gonna take a dollop and I'm going to work it a little bit in my hands and lightly go over the hair, over the top, and being sure that I get the hair, the product, all the way throughout the back of the hair as well. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna comb through the product for even distribution. Now I always use twice as much, so I'm gonna add another dollop, working it through my hands again, and this time concentrating it a little bit more in the back. As always, comb through with a wide tooth comb. And be sure to just let your clients know the reason you're combing it through with a wide tooth comb is just for even distribution throughout all of the hair. Next, I'm going to use a towel. And I'm gonna lightly blot the hair, encouraging her natural curl to bounce up. Then I'll go in with my diffuser and my blow dryer. And I'm gonna have Lauren, if you could tilt your head back for me. I'm gonna put my high heat and high pressure, and I'm gonna start her blow dry. For Lauren, we're using high heat and high airflow due to the density of her hair. When you diffuse hair at this setting, you need to be sure not to over dry the hair and make it frizzy. Now, I don't ever overwork the hair. You don't want to put your hands in and cause too much friction, which will cause frizz. Either I have a tail comb in my hand or I have my hand behind my back. Don't over dry the section either. Move around the head shape. Get your client in comfortable positions so that they're not uncomfortable during your style. Have your client move their head towards you so you can easily pick up the hair and get more lift. At this point, I'd like to pick up a rat tail comb. This is gonna help me finish those little spots that are just a little more damp. Now sometimes you can leave those damp spots and that's okay as well. Be sure to let your client know that typically you wanna get it 100% dry. Now I'm gonna use a tail comb when I'm drying, and it's just to pick up the hair and to lay it into the diffuser so that you don't have to use your hands, which causes too much friction. Now lift the tail comb into the hair, lift the hair, and lay it into the diffuser. Now be sure not to put the diffuser right next to the client's scalp, which can cause a lot of heat and it could be very uncomfortable and burn the client. Be sure to keep it about a 45-degree angle when you're using the diffuser. I'm gonna show you something really cool. I'm just gonna add a little bit of sea salt with a blow dryer, and this is gonna add a little bit more texture and movement to the hair. Put it on low pressure and spray the sea salt into the air, blowing it into the hair with the blow dryer. And that's how you use sea salt to add a little bit more texture and movement. This tool is great to comb through curly hair so you can be sure not to disturb the cuticle. It is also used to pick up the hair and place it in the diffuser, preventing you from putting your hands in the client's hair. The diffuser creates a wide circle of air that helps minimize frizz, since there is less hot air aimed at any one part of the hair. Apply a foam to the client's hair, working throughout, and then comb through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Curly hair takes twice as much product, so we repeat the application and distribution step. Before you begin blow drying, take a towel and gently blot the hair, encouraging the natural curl to bounce up. have the client tip their head back and begin your blow dry. As you work around the hair, have the client move their head towards you. Be sure to keep your blow dryer and diffuser at a 45-degree angle. This will prevent you from putting unwanted heat on the client's scalp. Use a tail comb to lift the hair and place it into the diffuser. For curly hair, we typically want to have the hair 100% dry to ensure the curls are set. Spray sea salt into the hair with the blow dryer to add more texture and movement to the hair. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Aaron Rogers, and it's my style with knowledge.